Capoeira Flow.
Hey everyone, it's Fabio Santos here, o Professor Gringo. I would like to bring to you the move of the month. So this is going to be the foundation of the move we're going to be working throughout the whole month. And every week we're going to be adding some progression. So stay tuned on Capoeira Flow website, the YouTube, Facebook to follow up. And please ask, leave your comments, any help or anything like that. You know where to find us. Check it out.
Não faz não, andorinha só não faz verão. Não faz não, não faz não, andorinha só não faz verão. Não faz não, não faz não, andorinha só não faz verão. Não faz não, não faz não.
Nice. Now that you have seen the kick, let me break down step by step for you. I'm going to start with my right leg behind. So once I do my queixada, I carry on normally and let my leg go past my front leg and land on my toes so I can spin over to the other side. So the front leg is the one that is going to go up. I'm going to place my both hands down to start with so I have more balance. And now the leg that's on the top is the leg that's going to go through straight through so I can sit on the front leg. But make sure the weight is on your arm so you can assist when you're going to turn back to the ginga. Let's take a look again. So from the queixada, let the leg go through and make sure you lower yourself and always looking forward to spot the person that you're playing against. The leg that's go up is the leg at the front. You can put one hand or both hands down, however you feel comfortable with. And when I'm going to bring the leg through, don't start to lower yourself until the leg go past the hip. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck. So the spin, going to go to the front, and I always keep my arm down until I feel comfortable to spin without the hand. Let's take a look on some key points now. So from the queixada, make sure you land on your toes so you can transition straight from that to the spin and maintain your arms up on the spin as well. Also, you want to note that the weight is on my front leg so I can easily transition from one side to the other. The leg that's going up next is the leg at the front. So in that case, the leg goes straight up, and when I place my hand down, I can either go straight from one hand or two. It looks nicer with one hand, but it's hard at the beginning to keep your balance. When you switch, it's a quick switch. You're not trying to stay your balance on the handstand. It's a quick switch, so the move keeps continuing flowing from one step to the other. When you're going to bring the leg through, is the back leg now. It's the leg that's in the top. And as you're getting close underneath your hip, you bend it and wait until you go past your hip before you sit completely. If you time that wrong, it's going to feel awkward to sit down. And the weight now is on my arm and on my front leg, the leg that's bent. So keep the arm down, especially to take some of the pressure off the knee. And when you spin, I lean forward a little bit so I can easily transition from the negativa into the ginga. And note that my arm is always up. Yeah. Once you get used to it, you can potentially stand up without the hand. But make sure you feel comfortable and doesn't hurt your knee when to do that. So I push straight from that back leg, or you can go back to do it with the arm support. It looks nice as well. It depends on your condition, depends your variation, wherever you feel comfortable with. This is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep drilling these steps until it feels comfortable so you can go from one step to the other nice and control. And make sure you keep yourself warm and stretched after you train. And stay tuned because this is just the beginning. I'll be adding more sequence to this move throughout the month. And if you'd like to learn this and many other moves, you can join our online classes every week from wherever you are in the world. And also try our Capoeira Flow app that will be available from May. So you can check it out, all this information into the Capoeira Flow website. And stay tuned, and I see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button below. If you didn't, let me know in the comment how I can improve. Also tell me what type of videos you'd like to see next. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do, and I see you on the next one.